is a 14 years male child, a male boy, having structural scoliosis. Patient having history of the thoracic deviation, lateral deviation, and the thoracolumbar deviation. Apart from that, on the opposite side, there is a prominent bulge at the lower angle of scapula with lower down of the shoulder blade. So this is the first clinical picture of the scoliosis, structural scoliosis patient with the prominent opposite angle upper blade and the lower prominent area of the scapula. When we palpate this is cervical area, and after the cervical, this is thoracic first and second vertebra. After this, there is no vertebra palpate through my fingers because of this deviation. The spine is deviated laterally and shifted towards the right side, and this is the thoracic vertebrae in this case. After that, this is the thoracolumbar vertebra area. This is thoracic and lumbar vertebra, and these are lumbar areas. So this is the clear case of thoracolumbar and lumbar deviation of scoliosis. We can check there is a clear deviation, as we already mentioned clinically, and in which there is a intersection point at the most prominent center aspect, that is thoracolumbar vertebra. This is called Cobb angle, and Cobb angle is almost more than 100 degree in this case. Along with research sign positive, and what is research sign? We can see there is a ischium bone, and this is the upper next ischium bone, and we can there is a clear above and lower finding of the right and left ischium. So this is not in equal area, equal space. This is lower and this is upper. This is called research sign positive because of some angle mentioned in the textbooks of spine and orthopedics. Okay, so the research sign positive, Cobb angle positive with more than 100 degree deviation. This is a case of a structural scoliosis in a 14-year male boy.